Many men are silently mixing some blue salt in warm water before bedtime, and what is happening next is shocking even to them. This natural salt trick is helping men of all ages to improve their performance, fight ED, and feel younger, more confident, and fully alive again in the bedroom. No pills, no pressure. Let's be honest, ED is more common than anyone admits, and it is leaving so many men feeling defeated, disconnected, and helpless. But this simple habit, it's changing everything. I saw it with my own eyes. My partner tried, and within a few days I could feel the difference. He was firmer, more energetic, and let's just say visibly thicker. I told him I didn't need it, but wow, now I'm the one begging him not to stop. That's why I'm sharing this. I left the link below for you to check out the full video step by step. He explains exactly how it works and why the ED industry doesn't want men to know about it. This salt trick is safe, fast, natural, and really works. But don't wait too long. If that video disappears, your chance too. Click the link below in the description and comment and see for yourself.